Today we're in the South San Jose community of Almaden Valley, and I'm proud to show you a traditional layout that has been completely remodeled. Do you like to see how owners customize the home? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. Before we go inside, let's talk about this location. We are around the corner from TJ Martin Park and Guadalupe Oak Preserve and located in the district for highly sought after Almaden Valley schools. This TJ Martin Park neighborhood is centrally located to shopping, schools, walking paths, parks, restaurants, and has quick access to commute routes. You will frequently see people walking dogs, taking bike rides, or outside playing. Life here in Almaden is different than what you will find around most of San Jose. This property is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2,477 square feet. They added 463 square feet in the remodel in 2009 in really key areas, so you gotta come inside and take a look. Imagine arriving at your new picture-perfect home, custom landscaping with outdoor lighting and a nice front patio area to greet your guests. Open the front door and be wowed by the soaring ceilings and open living spaces. This entry is part of the remodel the owners did, just a subtle bump out of the front door to create this welcoming entry space. Then head into the living room to relax at the counter and chat with the chef. This area is designed for entertainment and connection. Slide open this door and let the party flow from the inside out in the warm summer months. Any good party has food, and this kitchen is a culinary playground. Built-in lazy Susans, soft close cabinets, and pull-out drawers, everything within reach for your next masterpiece. Whip up a feast on the 5-burner gas stove. And don't forget the pasta water spout for the perfect al dente. The skylights add plenty of natural light so you can see exactly how amazing your culinary creation is. Down a few stairs to a second living area where more space was added in the remodel. Relax by the fireplace or stay cozy with the built-in thermostat. You can control the temperature with the power of your mind. Well, okay, maybe just your phone. A perfect space for movie nights or game nights, and tucked away is a convenient half bath, perfect for when you have guests over. Enjoy the natural light from the large windows, or in the warmer months, seamless indoor-outdoor living. Step outside into your own private backyard oasis and appreciate the lushly landscaped backyard, complete with covered patio area plus an orange and plum tree. Imagine barbecues with friends or cozy nights under the stars on the all-weather deck or a relaxing chat with a friend. Entertain effortlessly as is or create your dream outdoor kitchen. Ascend the beautiful iron rod staircase with hardwood steps up to the 4 bedrooms. Unwind in the luxurious primary suite, which has been masterfully designed. In the expansion, the walk-in closet was created, as well as this custom private balcony. Looking for more peace in your day? This space offers a tranquil escape. Unwind in this spa-like bathroom, because who doesn't deserve a little luxury after a long day at the office? The 3 additional bedrooms, each with ample closet space and charming details like hardwood floors and custom window coverings, provide space for family or guests. The second bathroom features a shower over tub and a skylight. This meticulously maintained property is a perfect blend of style, function, and comfort. With its expanded primary suite and light-filled living areas, it's the perfect place to call home. I'm Theresa Wellman with Homeowner Experience Real Estate, and I would love the opportunity to show you this property in person. Please call or text at the number below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, check out the link above.